Well, I just got my pressure washer back together. I'm going to see how it runs. This is the gun and the wand. It's about 4 foot long overall. The handle is welded on, and it's in a position, it's a little bit far down for me. So what I had to do was I had to make my own handle, and I just machined a block of aluminum and then drilled a hole through the middle of it, a 1/2 inch hole through the center, and then I used a slitting saw in the milling machine and slid it all the way around. So then I had 2 halves, and I drilled and tapped the 4 holes, 1/4 20, and those have our socket head screws in there, and that clamps it all together. And then I took inside this aluminum rod, there's a 1/2 inch aluminum rod, and I drilled a hole in it and set it into this aluminum, and then I welded that up, and at the end of that 1/2 inch rod I drilled and tapped it with a 1/4 20, and then I drilled a 1/2 inch hole through this 1 inch diameter, maybe 1 1/8 diameter aluminum bar, and that rotates, and so it's real comfortable to use. You'll see me when I'm using it in a minute when I get this started. Okay, let's see what we can do here about getting this guy cranked. Stretch my hose out here. 50 foot of hose. Got a quick connect onto the gun. And I gotta go get a water hose.